GM guys, do you know that you don't actually need a centralized exchange to trade futures anymore? You can open, manage, and close perpetual positions right inside your decentralized wallet like MetaMask. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to trade perpetual futures on MetaMask. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you find our content helpful, you can support our channel by buying our educational token, Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network, and the contract address of Wiki Cat will be in the description. Alright, so let's dive right into this tutorial. So as you can see on our screen, we're using the MetaMask mobile app in this tutorial. So first off, launch the app. Alright, so at the moment, before you can trade futures on MetaMask, you will need to fund your account with a minimum of 10 USDC on the Arbitrum network and also some Ethereum on the Arbitrum network for gas fee. Alright, so select Perps, select start trading. Alright, so first off, you need to fund your Perps account with some USDC on Arbitrum network. And like I said, the minimum that you can add is 10 USDC. So select add funds. Input the amount of USDC you would like to add. I'll be adding all my USDC. Select continue. Alright, so the deposit is in progress. So just wait until it is completed. Okay, so we've successfully deposited funds in our Perps wallet. All right, so now we can start trading perpetual futures. All right, so these are the products that are available. Right, to see more, just select see all, and then you can choose from any of these crypto products to trade. All right, so say we want to trade some BNB. Select BNB. All right, so for those of you that are into futures trading, this should not be difficult to set up, right? Depending on what position you want to take, either a long or a short position, right? You will have to select from any of this. So say we want to take a long position, right? So here you can select your leverage, right, from 1x all the way up to 10x, right? So by default it's set to 3x. All right, so you can increase your leverage if you want to, but I hope you understand that the higher the leverage, the more riskier it gets. As you can see, at 9x, you'll be liquidated if the market goes against you by 6.4%, right? So just set your leverage, right? And then select set. So you can also set your take profit and your stop loss, right? I won't be going into that. We have a video where we explain how to set up OCO orders. So in that video, you can learn how to set up your take profit and your stop loss. So as you can see, this is your margin value. That is the amount of your personal funds that you're risking into this trade. If things doesn't go well, you will be losing all of that funds that you're putting into this trade. And that's just around 26% of the total value of assets in your wallet, right? So if I increase this, right, meaning I'm putting all of my funds, I'm putting all of my 10 USDC in this trade, right? If I bring it down, right, it means I'm just risking 3.46% of my funds into this trade, right? And also I can't go lower than this, right? I cannot go lower than this because my minimum order size must be $10. So I'll just bring this back up to $10. Okay, so this is my liquidation price, the price at which all my money will be gone. All right, so this is the fee I am paying on this trade. All right, and this is the amount of MetaMask point I am earning for engaging in this trade. Okay, so once everything is set up, just select long. All right, guys, so I have successfully longed this asset, and you can see my position right here. And just like we have in centralized exchanges, you can still enter your take profit and your stop loss, right? So if you want to close your position, very easy, just select close position, right? So you'll see your margin and you'll see the profit or loss that you have made. You'll see the fee that you'll be paying for closing this position, and then the total value you will be receiving after you close this position, and then your estimated points for this transaction. All right, so to close, just select close. We have successfully closed our position, right? So pretty much the same process for shorts. So guys, that's basically how to trade perpetual futures on MetaMask wallets. Alright, so we've come to the end of the tutorial. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to drop your questions in the comment section. Do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on your bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a tutorial video. Thank you again for watching the tutorial video. Bye.